Hey guys, in this video we're going to be going over how to get credit in Hailuo AI, okay? Now, before they used to give you free credits every single day, and they actually stopped that, as you can see. Now they only give you these daily bonus credits if you have a new account. So I want you to go ahead and either create a new account, right? Go ahead and just log out of here. Use another Gmail account that you have, and you can utilize the service. That's how you can get free credits, or you can purchase. You can click here on subscribe. That's another way right here. As you can see, these are the subscription plans. You can go for the monthly plans as well. So this is how much it would cost you per month. The cheapest one is $9.99 a month. They give you 1,000 credits per month. So it's either you go ahead and, do the free version where they give you a certain number of credits once you create your account, or you pay for it. There's no other way currently. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.